All right, we're going to talk about some mathematical formulas. If I gave you all this rectangle right here, you would be able to find the area because you know that the area of a rectangle is the base times the height. This is a mathematical formula that is always true. It always has been true. 300 years ago, this was true. 300 years from now, this would be true. No matter where you are, if you go to space, if you dig a giant hole into the earth, no matter where you are, this is true. It's a mathematical formula. Another mathematical formula that you guys have worked with in the past is the area of a triangle. You all could find the area of this triangle because you know the formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. This formula is always true. A new formula that we're going to start working with today, and we'll work with a lot this year, including in our car racing project, is D equals R times T. This stands for distance, rate, or speed, and time. Now, if we knew two of those three things, we could find the third thing using this equation. Let's say we have a problem like Mr. Zimmelman drove for 200 miles. Well, 200 miles is a distance, so I could plug 200 into the formula. And he drove he drove 40 miles per hour. Well, 40 miles per hour, that sounds like a rate to me, so we'll plug it in there. And then the question might be like, how long was he driving for? Well, how long was he driving for? It sounds like time. Time remains unknown. But we can pretty easily now figure out the time because we have an equation. We can get t by itself simply by dividing by 40, because that will undo multiply by 40. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. These cancel out, leaving me just with t equals 200 divided by 40 is 5. 5 what? Well, it's t, so it's time. The problem, if you remember, was 200 miles and 40 miles per hour. Hour. Ding, ding, ding. So the time is 5 hours. Mr. Z is driving 5 hours. In the next video, you'll see this play out more specifically in three problems.